Guys, today we have flown to Ireland for me to try my first ever pint. Ireland is known for its drinking culture, and as someone that's never touched alcohol, where better place to visit?
No spooning tonight.
That's what I'm talking about. Get going then, Jack. I'm in here, mate. Touchdown Dublin, first stop, Guinness Storehouse. We're gonna have a bit of Irish food, and I've heard you can pour your own pint, so wish me luck. Big old factory. Let's see what it's all about. Gotta get a photo with a Guinness sign, haven't we? Oh, this is like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory.
It's actually mad.
Crazy. What's the crack? First stop, lads. I've looked at one thing on the menu. Beef and Guinness stew. I don't know if it's got alcohol in it, but we might have to give that one a go. First little view over Dublin. It's not bad, we'll take it. It's a bit grey, isn't it? I'm a bit worried these seagulls are going to pop in and take our food, man. Damn. Lovely, thank you. The size of that, man. Jeez. Poor old Jack wants to put the camera down. We got up at 5 AM this morning and he hasn't eaten anything. I'm getting quirky. I bought this off eBay for 50 quid. An old Fujifilm digital camera. And it does the job, guys. Beautiful. Wait, I don't think I've done a video since I was vegetarian. We're coming back to YouTube and I eat meat now. There was a whole thing that you've missed. I was anemic mid of last year, so we're going in on a beef stew. I'm not sure you can get much more Irish. That's the kind of thing I would genuinely have as my death row meal. You know, just like hearty, warm flavours, like your grandma would make. I don't know what Guinness tastes like, but I'm not really getting any Guinness. We'll save that one for later. Priorities, gotta line my stomach for that first pint, so we're doing desserts as well. To be honest, everything's got Guinness in it. I'm gonna be drunk, man. Pancake, Guinness gelato, Bailey's caramel sauce.
Guinness chocolate mousse sounds alright, that's quite light. No, is that not light?
It's the way you said, Guinness chocolate mousse sounds quite light. It says Guinness chocolate mousse with whipped cream. Yeah, that's just a little one, isn't it? We'll be alright. Okay, you do that, I'll do the shortbread. We can share. Cute. Ooh. That looks naughty, doesn't it? Anyway, sharesies. Sharesies! Sharp. It's alright, it's a bit tangy. Oh. Also, for the record, Jack finished half of my dinner, so I think he owes me half of the chocolate mousse. Yeah, he owes me half of that, just for the record.
He's eyeing up your dinner, mate.
I reckon he could take me. Right, lads, let's go see what the crack is in Dublin. First time in Ireland. Would you believe this is my 50th country? And I feel bad that I've never visited our neighbours before, so go soak in a bit of culture, see what we can find. Hadn't heard much about Ireland, obviously the weather is living up to expectations, and I'm still full from the stew, so we need to work up an appetite before we start sinking stouts. People in the cars probably thinking, what a tourist. Who the fuck is that guy? Right, we're in an area now called Temple Bar, and we're on the hunt for Temple Bar Pub, which I've seen online is pretty popular. Uber driver said this is a spot, bit of nightlife. Let's go see what all the fuss is about. Definitely getting lively. Not sure about the cobbled streets and the wet. It's not a great combination. If I go over, just keep it rolling, Jack. It's just a pub, really, isn't it? Let's keep moving. Look at your man over here, leprechaun. Absolutely slaughtered. It's only 6:30. Oh, you can imagine this getting ramo in the evenings, but it's literally just bars here. And I'm saving myself for my pint. Bar after bar, a few kebab shops in between. I mean, it is called Temple Bar. That's class, isn't it? That's what it's all about. I would do a little jig, but I don't want to embarrass myself. Well, I think we've seen enough bars and pubs around here, and the music's kind of got me in the mood, so let's get a pint in. I never thought I'd say that. We tried to take a shortcut. Come on. I've got girls looking at me on the escalator, so I've got a bit shy. I don't know what to do.
So just look at your phone.
Yeah.
Check your emails.
All my emails to get through. Hang on, give me 2 minutes. Oh, shit.
This is where we're pouring.
Yes, there you go, the Guinness Academy. About to be fully qualified. I've never poured anything in my life apart from a pint of water. How you doing?
Yeah.
Charlie.
Please reach it down.
Idel. Right, what's the crack?
Okay, so have you ever poured a pint of
Never poured a pint of anything apart from water.
Right. When I started here, I was terrified. Guinness, I was afraid of my life. The lager is actually hard because the head on it. The Guinness, it's easy.
Okay.
So it's a 2-part pour.
Yeah.
You're going to aim this nozzle. This heart will be at the back of the tap, like so. If you can aim this nozzle to be the centre of the heart,
Okay.
we're going to tilt our glass at 45 degrees.
You make it seem so easy.
It is. So you're going to take the handle
Yeah.
all the way forward.
Okay.
As the beer is coming down, you go past this. So when it gets up past this,
Yeah.
you're going to straighten your glass up, slightly lower it down, stop when it comes to the top.
Top of the heart.
So the reason when we straighten this up and lower it down is you never let the nozzle touch in.
Right.
It's cross contamination.
Gotcha.
You all right?
Yeah. Give it a go, huh?
So it's a 2-part pour.
Yeah.
You do the first
First
part,
part.
you're going to leave it here to settle.
Ah, okay. Then we come back.
Back it on its
Right.
back.
You're gonna have to watch me because I'm not.
You're all right.
Right. No cross contamination.
Up here.
Up here. Right.
Lever
Full
all
on.
the way forward, yeah. Start straightening your glass up, yeah. Get to the top of that half and don't stop.
Look at that. Oi.
So we leave it settle here for about 90 seconds.
Okay.
When you do your second part of the pour, and then it's handed out to the customer, and 20 seconds after that, then you can take a sip.
That's crazy,
Do you
isn't
drink
it?
Guinness?
I don't drink alcohol.
Okay.
So this is mind-boggling to me.
Right.
He'll have a sip, though.
So a lot of people, when they're drinking Guinness,
Okay.
they take a little sip.
Yeah.
And I don't like it. And there is quite a tang taste at the back of your throat.
Right.
So you have to take a generous mouthful of Guinness.
Right.
To bite through this bottle
Yes.
to get all them flavours.
Okay.
So
Okay.
say a generous mouthful, hold it in your mouth.
Yeah.
2 or 3 seconds, swallow it, then exhale.
Okay.
Then you're getting all them aromas.
Get stuck in. Get stuck
Now
into
the
it.
taste of them is sweet. It's going down there.
Yeah. Yeah.
You'll enjoy that. So for this part again, never allow the nozzle to touch in. You're going to hold your glass here. You're pushing your tap in the opposite direction.
Right.
So the heavier you push back in the tap, the faster the flow. So you can control this as slowly or as fast.
We're learning. We're learning.
Yeah.
Right. Let's give it a go. No pressure.
Again, keeping the nozzle.
Yeah. Don't touch.
And just as heavy or as light as you feel. Tiny bit more. Little more.
Oh, look at that. We can't spill it. We can't spill it.
Oh.
There you go, boss. Cheers. Quality, huh? That's good. I like it. I like it. I like it.
CV at the front.
Yeah, that's it. I got a job now. We're not leaving. We're not leaving. That's lovely. Thanks ever so much. Thank you. Do you hear that, boy? I'm a professional pint pourer. Just printing off my certificate now. I feel like I'm really working it. She just left me. She's just gone and left me on the pint pouring now. Lovely. Certificate's been sent. Add that to the CV, get that on LinkedIn. So Edel said I'm a professional. This is actually quite a good pint. Look at the head on it, but I can't drink that. I need a professional to pour me mine. Vertigo is gone, man. My heart's actually thumping. I don't know if that's the stairs or the view. Why am I walking like this? Right, lads. This is the moment we've been waiting for. This is crazy for me at my ripe old age, but cheers to you. I tried to hold, wait, did we get the right one? I I've been labelled. I've got to walk around with this now looking like an idiot. Oh, little zero boy. Okay, cheers. Oh, we got you. I feel like I've got a moustache here. Shout out to Guinness for looking after us, but there's a reason I don't drink this stuff. Oh, that's horrible. I don't know how people drink it. I know it's an acquired taste, but I'll try again. I tried to hold it down, but I can't. My face don't lie. Well, you look at my moustache. Can I see it in the mirror? Oh, what a handsome guy. Look at him. Damn. Oh, even that's horrible. Let's get out of here.